Hello, I'm Dr. Maritza Novas, and this video is intended to give some information to physicians that are thinking on starting a regenerative medicine practice, or also for veterans that are trying to simplify their practice. We're going to be introducing G-Cell. The G-Cell system revolutionizes the way autologous stem cells will be done. This is a closed, sterile system that complies with the current guidelines of minimal manipulation and absence of chemicals added to the sample. This machine makes the isolation of stromal vascular fraction and dermal-derived stem cells a far simpler process. At a size that can fit in the corner of any procedure room at a doctor's office, there is no need to purchase expensive laboratory equipment or wait for the long time that takes us the actual isolation of stromal vascular fraction. Just deposit a sample in one of the sterile cassettes included in the kits, just press the button, and you will have in 40 minutes a rich sample that could be immediately injected. It's a very practical tool for physicians that are starting the regenerative practice. Since we're using two types of samples, there is a very wide range of uses that this machine would allow us to have. It can be applied for wound care, aesthetic medicine, cosmetic gynecology, orthopedic surgery, and a lot of other local applications. G-Cell basically is practical, it's simple, it complies with regulatory guidelines, and it's very specific for physicians that are starting the regenerative medicine practice.